10 Overlooked Benefits of Social Media Marketing. There is no doubt that social media has taken over the world. In the past decade, social media usage has exploded, with people of all ages using various platforms to connect with friends, family, and strangers. As a result, businesses have also noticed social media's power and started using it as a marketing tool. While some companies are still hesitant to jump on the social media bandwagon, many benefits come with social media marketing. Social media marketing benefits include increased brand awareness. Social media is a fantastic way to increase brand awareness and reach a larger audience. Benefit number 1, brand awareness. The benefits of social media are many and varied, and more are constantly discovered. As we become more adept at using these tools, we will find new and innovative ways to use them to better ourselves and our societies. So, the next time you find yourself scrolling through your Facebook feed or tweeting about the latest news, remember that you are doing more than just passing the time, helping make the world a better place. Brand awareness. Many companies overlook this benefit because they think that if they don't post anything, then nobody will see them. This couldn't be further from the truth. To build a strong brand, you must be present online. Your company should have a presence on every platform available, including Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Google+, Snapchat, Tumblr, and more. Benefit number 2, positioning power over competition. Whether you're a small business or a large corporation, social media marketing can help you gain an edge over your competition. You can create a loyal following that will help you achieve your business goals by creating engaging content and building relationships with customers and prospects. With social media marketing, you have the power to control your destiny. You can build the brand you want, connect with your target audience, and create a community of customers and prospects that will support your business. Benefit number 3, comprehensive competitive analysis. Businesses need to know how their social media marketing efforts compare to their competitors. A comprehensive competitive analysis can help companies understand where they stand concerning their competitors and what they can do to improve their social media marketing strategy. A comprehensive competitive analysis is necessary for any business, and social media marketing is no exception. Understanding your competition can fine-tune your social media marketing strategy to stay ahead of the curve. Competitive analysis involves researching and analyzing your competitors' marketing strategies, strengths, and weaknesses. It helps you understand their market positioning and how they reach their target audience. By conducting a comprehensive competitive analysis, you can develop a social media marketing strategy to help you stay ahead of the competition and reach your target audience. Benefit number 4, uncover industry trends in real time. You can't afford to fall behind the times as a business owner. Keeping up with industry trends is essential to maintaining a successful business. But who has the time to sift through all the information out there? Social media marketing is a fantastic way to stay updated on industry trends. Following the right people and hashtags can get real-time information on what's happening in your industry. This will help you make better decisions about your business and stay ahead of your competition. With the rise of online shopping, consumers can now shop anywhere at any time. This means they don't have to wait for retailers to open stores and stock shelves before they can start buying products. Online shopping allows customers to browse through thousands of different items and compare prices between websites. It also gives them access to information about brands and products, which helps them decide what to buy. Benefit number 5, discover your audience using social listening. Are you curious about who is talking about your brand on social media? Do you want to know what they're saying? Social listening is a way to track and measure what's being said about your brand on social media. Social listening is a valuable tool for understanding your audience, and it can help you identify your most vocal advocates, understand their essential topics, and track sentiment over time. If you're not already using social listening, now is the start. The best part about social listening is that it gives you insight into what your audience wants to hear from you. It lets you see which topics are popular among your followers and helps you understand what they want to know about. This information will allow you to tailor your content to reach your audience better. Benefit number 6, measuring success with analytics. The best part of social media marketing is that you can measure its success. Most social media analytics tools will provide information like which posts were most popular, how often users engaged with your content, and what types of posts perform better than others. This information can help you determine if specific strategies are working well and where you could improve. Benefit number 7, increases sales. Some businesses are still not sold on social media marketing, but the data doesn't lie. Social media marketing leads to more sales. A recent study found that 67% of marketers saw an improvement in sales after investing in social media marketing. The key to social media marketing is treating it like any other marketing channel and creating a strategy tailored to your business goals. Once you plan, you must be consistent with your posting and engaging with your audience. Benefit number 8, marketplace insights. As a business owner, you know that reaching your target market is essential to your success. You also understand that traditional marketing techniques can be expensive and time-consuming. So how can you get your target market without breaking the bank? One way is to use social media marketing. This form of marketing allows you to connect with your target market quickly and easily. Plus, it's cost-effective and can be done in your spare time. Marketplaces are online where buyers and sellers meet to trade goods and services. They're often used by small businesses that want to reach customers beyond their local area. The most popular marketplace today is eBay, but others like Amazon, Etsy, and Craigslist exist. Benefit number 9, build backlinks for better search engine presence. No matter your business, you must know how vital search engine optimization, SEO, is. And part of a good SEO strategy is building backlinks. Backlinks are incoming links to a website from another site. The more backlinks you have, the better your site will rank in search engine results pages, SERPs. One way to build backlinks is through social media marketing. By creating informative and shareable content on social media sites like Twitter, LinkedIn, and Facebook, you can encourage other people and businesses to link to your site. This, in turn, will help improve your site's SEO. The best way to build backlinks is by creating content that will attract links from high-quality websites. This means writing articles, guest posting on blogs, and building relationships with influencers. Benefit number 10, appeal to younger social-savvy customers. The average age of a Facebook user is 34 years old. That means that this demographic is not only growing, but they are now spending money on products and services. This group is also highly connected and spends a lot of time online, making them prime targets for social media marketing campaigns. As the world becomes increasingly digital, businesses must adapt their marketing strategies to stay ahead of the curve. One way to do this is to appeal to younger, social media savvy customers with social media marketing. Social media marketing is a fantastic way to connect with potential customers where they already are, on their favorite social media platforms. You can reach a wider audience and build brand awareness by creating engaging content and ads. With social media marketing, you can connect with your target audience on a personal level, which can help create a loyal customer base. So, if you're looking to stay ahead of the competition, appeal to younger customers, and build your brand. Social media marketing is a cost-effective way to reach potential and current customers, and it allows you to connect with them, build relationships, and increase brand awareness. When done correctly, social media marketing can be a powerful tool that helps you achieve your business goals.